What's up guys, Major here. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install plugins to your Pcsx2, how you can install the plugins there. So for example, I'm going to be using this USB Pemo wheel. So this is for playing games that requires a wheel. Like if you want to, like for example, racing games. If you want to use a wheel to play racing games, then you need to get this USB Pemo wheel plug-in. So what you have to do is you have to get the wheel, and then you have to unzip it, extract here, yes to all. So once that's done, what you have to do is you have to click this, copy this to the plugins folder. You can find this in Windows Program Files x86, Pcsx2 1.4.0. Then you go to plugins, then you have to paste it there. Okay, so once you're done, how to choose the plugin, you have to go to launch the Pcsx2. Once you launch it, you have to click on config, and once you click on config, you get this plugin BIOS selector. So you click on it, and then you have to go to USB, then select this, and then apply, and then OK. So once you plug your USB Pemo wheel controller, then you can be able to play games with it with Pcsx2. So guys, I don't have any USB wheel right now because I actually use my USB game controller. I prefer that to using a wheel. So yeah, so that's how you install plugins in Pcsx2 on your PC. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button down below, and subscribe to the channel to see more awesome tutorials. And it's your boy Major, and I'm out.